Hi, David here. Look at this code. Here, you don't really see when I scroll here that there is an issue with this code, right? If you go and read each line, you're not gonna see that right away there is an issue with this code, right? Because the app is working right on the right there. Your cart is empty, is the app working? But I'm gonna show you quickly how you can identify issue in this code. First thing you do is basically you go here and then you run npx. Let me make it bigger so you see it well. So you do npx and then you run prettier, right? So you do that first. That's gonna make sure that your code is well aligned. And now you see that actually that code was not following good practices in terms of writing code and things like that. But that's not a big issue at this stage. This is different for each project. So run npx prettier and then make sure that things are well aligned. So that's already one thing. The second thing is that is not so obvious is this. So I'm gonna go here and then run npx and eslint, right? So what I'm gonna do with eslint here is it's going to basically tell me that hey, I don't have eslint right there, which is correct. So you do npm init eslint config, and then with that is going to set up quickly eslint. So we chose to use JavaScript import export. This project is a React Native project, so we pick React. Always use TypeScript. We go with no right there, and then I like using JSON as a configuration file and do install it. We use npm, and now it will quickly go and install everything. And while doing so, I'm gonna show you something. Right here, there is a little code that's gonna turn red. You see, it just turned red right there. And then now that one is also highlighted. And as you can see, these are dead code that you couldn't see at first. And then that other thing here is basically the fact that that person is using a let versus a const. And you can quickly fix that now. That before we couldn't see that. Now you can go ahead and fix this. Go ahead and fix this as well. Just remove that, okay? So that's a tip. Use prettier and eslint to make your code much easier to maintain. And this app is the app we're going to refactor next week. So don't forget to subscribe to Coach Refactoring, and then I'll see you next week. Cheers.